Hi, I'm Greg Fritz. I'm the owner and lead sonologist here at Echo Health. I wanted to take a PowerPoint slide that I just put together for a presentation to my colleagues and make it available for you to witness what an amazing tool musculoskeletal ultrasound has become, at least to the practice of physical medicine, like physical therapy and sports medicine. In the image up to your left, you can see the individual with a blue line on her shoulder. That represents where the probe is placed in order to get the view that will show up here where you see my cursor. At the very top of the view that we can obtain is skin. Then we have the deltoid muscle. Below that, the infraspinatus tendon that you can see the fibers spanning from the muscle that's over here. Attaching to the arm bone, the ball of the arm bone. That muscle is located here on the model, and it's attached across to the ball of the arm bone, or the humerus. You're seeing the socket, bottom right, and in between the socket and the ball is a cartilaginous flexible washer that we refer to as the labrum. You may have heard of individuals that have had labral surgery or have had a torn labrum. But I wanted you to be able to see the resolution that we're able to obtain with ultrasound imaging, and that how easy it is for us to be able to look inside and evaluate anatomical structure. The truth is that the resolution of ultrasound imaging, what you're looking at right here, is at an even higher detail than most MRIs. And the one thing, however, which I'll demonstrate next, MRIs will never be able to make it move. You're looking now at the actual structure doing a movement in the socket, and you can see how the muscle contracts, pulling to the right, and relaxes, pulling to the left. You can see how when it relaxes, it exposes the articular cartilage right here in on the ball of the joint. I hope this was helpful. I hope it wasn't too long. Please provide advice as I'm trying to see if I can't make this a little bit more of a dynamic Facebook homepage. And thank you for your feedback.